next topic is series. The term series is associated with the sequence. Let A1, A2, A3 be the sequence. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 up to dash dash is called a series, and generally it is denoted by sigma sign. It is a Latin word. It is related sigma, or summation means sum of the term. There are two types of series. The series is finite or infinite as given the sequence. So first series is finite. There are two types. So finite series. Here A1 plus A2 up to number of terms is finite. Suppose n. Generally it is denoted by summation k equals to 1 to n and ak. Here k means 1, 2, 3. A sigma means summation. It is a finite number of term is finite. So it is a finite series. And second one is infinite series. Infinite series. Here A1 plus A2 up to infinite. So it is equals to denoted by k equals to 1 to infinite and ak. Here again k is denoted by number of terms. Suppose k equals to 1, so A1, k equals to 2 to A2 and so on. So here number of term is infinite, so it is a infinite series, and here number of term is finite, so it is a finite series. Here two terms, series and sum of the series. Means sum of the series means sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers. And series means number of terms. In series number of terms means जनरली अगर बात कर रहे हैं सीरीज से तो टर्म्स किसी फिक्स रूल के अकॉर्डिंग ये क्या होंगे, एक दूसरे से एसोसिएट होंगे, तो ये सीरीज है. बट सम ऑफ द सीरीज की बात करेंगे तो सम क्या होगा, ये केवल ये डिनोट कर रहा है कि ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, बट इसके सम को ये नहीं बता रहा कि सम कितना होगा, ये नहीं बता रहा. इस चीज का ध्यान, सम ऑफ द सीरीज मींस सम ऑफ द नंबर्स, ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं, इस चीज का ध्यान रखना. हियर टू टर्म्स सीरीज एंड सम ऑफ द सीरीज. सम ऑफ द सीरीज मीन्स ये दोनों टर्म की मीनिंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट. सीरीज मीन्स सम ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नंबर्स. नंबर्स को सम के रूप में रिप्रेजेंट करना, it is a series. And sum of the series means, here again series and sum of the series are two different words. Series means, अगर हम ये बात कर रहे हैं, series means sum of representation the number. Means suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here 4 numbers या 4 terms, it is a series. But sum of the series की बात करते हैं तो total number of sum, total number of sum, it means suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it becomes 10. This one means sum of the series means sum of the numbers, and series means sum represented by this, sum represented the numbers. सीधा सीधा sum represented the numbers. Again series means sum represented of numbers, it is a series, and total sum of the numbers it is known as sum of the series। ये दो वर्ड हम यूज करने वाले हैं, इस केस में बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना। Here we take some problem based on sequence. Write the first 5 terms of the sequence n equals to this। एक तो इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन होगा। सेकेंड पार्ट, if an equals to this, so find a9 a8 a6 means इस टाइप के टर्म्स फाइंड करने की। both are the sequence। suppose here find first 5 term means suppose n equals to 1 यूज किया तो a1, so 1 square upon 2 power 1, so it is equals to 1 by 2। a2 means in place of n equals to 2 पे यूज किया हमने। फर्स्ट 5 टर्म means 2 power 2 divided by 2 power n means 2 power n square upon this means it is equals to 1। next one n equals to 3, so a3 equals to 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 3 means it is equals to 9 and divided by 8। next n equals to 4, similarly a4, so equals to here 4 power 2 divided by 2 power 4, so 4 power 2 becomes 16 and 2 power 4 also 16, so it is equals to 1। 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16। similarly here 3 8 of 4 power 2 means 16, or suppose n equals to 5, so here a5 equals to 5 power 2 divided by 2 power 5, so it is equals to 25 divided by 32 n पर 2 power 5। सो इस टाइप के केसेस, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जो भी होंगे सीधा n की वैल्यू वेरी करते जाए। n बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर ऐसा भी हो सकता है, लिखा उसमें। नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस, इफ n इक्वल्स टू दिस देन फाइंड a9 मींस a9 मींस हियर इन प्लेस ऑफ n क्या यूज कर रहा है 9 मींस नाइन्थ टर्म के लिए इस सीक्वेंस में सपोज n इक्वल्स टू 9, सो a9 equals to -1 power 9 minus 1 into n means 9 power 3, so here -1 power 8 into 9 power 3, the -1 power 8 becomes, it is a even number, so it is positive, or 9 into 9 into 9 here, so this one 81, 81 into 9 729, it is the answer means a9 ninth term is this। तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट सेट में तुम्हारे पास गिवन होंगे सीक्वेंस के, तो उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करना, सभी सॉल्व हो जाएंगे। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। जनरली in this topic always also discuss in previous year in class 10th what is a arithmetic progression। AP already known है कि nth टर्म क्या होता है, क्या होता है। इन दिस केस सपोज अपन यूज कर रहे हैं लेट a1 a2 a3 अप टू an, a1 a2 a3 is a arithmetic progression if an plus 1 equals to an plus d, or d equals to an plus 1 minus an, means what is this, it is a difference an plus 1, suppose in this case a1 a2 a3, so a2, so d equals to a2 minus a1, yeah this one n plus 1 means 2 and an मतलब 1, n की प्लेस पर हमने 1 लिया, तो नेक्स्ट वन d equals to a3 minus a1, so arithmetic progression Simply we define the arithmetic progression means a progression is a arithmetic progression if term difference of term and previous term is always constant. मीन्स सपोज अपन एक जनरल यूज करें 2 4 6 8 8 इज एन एपी। तो इस केस में भी अगर डी देख रहे हैं तो क्या मिला 4 माइनस 2 और 6 माइनस 2 और 6 माइनस 4 सॉरी एंड 8 माइनस 6 मीन्स इस टर्म का प्रीवियस टर्म से जो डिफरेंस है it is always constant means here also 2 here 2 here 2 means common difference जिसको अपन यूज किए लास्ट ईयर it is a same constant अगर मिलता है so it is a AP। ये क्या हो जाता है AP। अगर हम इसी में बात करें AP के आगे की बात कर रहे हैं कि AP में क्या होगा और इसमें क्या रहता है तो वो भी ऑलरेडी नोन है, फिर भी मैं एक बार बता देना चाह रहा था कि मीन्स जनरल टर्म ऑफ एन एपी। अगर जनरल टर्म की बात करें या nth टर्म की बात करें अपन इसमें nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी in this section suppose let first term is a common difference be D, so in this case AP generally AP is first term A और D के डिफरेंस है जैसे अपन बात कर रहे थे कि 2 4 6 8 it means suppose 2 second one 2 plus 2 means this one is a D क्या होगा यहाँ पर D equals to 4 minus 2 या 6 minus 4 ये वाली D। नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 2 plus 2 into D, 2 into 2 means also written is 6, so first term is suppose A1 A2 A plus D, A3 A plus 2D, A4 A plus 4D this type। so in this part suppose अगर यूज कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर 4 यूज कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट टर्म तो ओके बट यहाँ पर क्या मिल रहा सॉरी 3D 4 में क्या मिला यहाँ पर 1 2 में A plus D means 1, सेकेंड टर्म मीन्स 1, थर्ड टर्म 2, फोर्थ टर्म 3 मीन्स 1 लेस मिल रहा। तो इसी टाइप से अगर ए एन यूज करें मीन्स nth टर्म तो a प्लस 1 लेस मीन्स n माइनस 1 इंटू डी। इट इज nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP, it is also denoted by last term और it is L। ये भी देख कर चुके मीन्स इन लास्ट ईयर हमने ये सभी चीजें देख चुके थे। इसी में कुछ क्वेश्चंस कुछ यूज किया था, कुछ क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हेलो जय गुरुदेव स्टूडेंट्स। In previous section we discussed about the sequence and today we discuss about the types of sequence. In types of sequence there are two types of sequence. First is finite sequence. Finite sequence and second one is infinite sequence. Infinite sequence. In finite sequence, a sequence is said to be finite sequence. A sequence said to be finite sequence is number of terms is finite. And suppose this one A1, A2, A3 up to A. So it is a finite sequence. Suppose 2, 3, 4 up to 10 or 2, 4, 6, 8, this one. It is a finite sequence. The number of term is finite. Here 9 term, here 4 term. So it is a finite sequence. And second one is infinite sequence. Means a sequence is said to be infinite sequence if number of term is infinite. Suppose take a sequence 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and so on. It is a infinite sequence. Suppose in this case a1, a2 up to dash dash means infinite number of terms. In this suppose 1, 1 by 2 and so on, or 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the infinite sequence and it is a finite sequence. Discuss a sequence. Fibonacci sequence is defined by a1 and a2 equals to 1. Then in this case an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Here n greater than equals to 3. Means in this case suppose n equals to 3. We take a 3. Then here a3 equals to a3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2. So a3 equals to a2 plus a1. So here a3 equals to 1 plus 1. a2 and a1 both are 1. So it is equals to a3 equals to 2. Then suppose n equals to 4. So a4 equals to a4 equals to a3 4 minus 1 and here plus a2. So a4 equals to a3 becomes 2 or a2 equals to 1. So it is equals to a4 equals to 3. So here according to Fibonacci sequence it is a 1, 1, then 2. Here 1 means a1, a2, a3 up to नेक्स्ट सपोज A10 की बात करें तो आगे के सभी रिजल्ट्स में मिलेंगे. तो A1 1 1 2 और आगे नेक्स्ट 3. देन क्या हो रहा है देखना. A3 means sum of two terms. Then A4 equals to again sum of previous two terms. A4 means this one, this and this, and then next one is 5, then next one is 8, this time. It is a Fibonacci series. Sorry, Fibonacci sequence. Similarly, according to this sequence, suppose we write some terms. It means next term is 8, so next term is 8 plus 5 13 and so on. Means हो क्या रहा, फर्स्ट टू का सम ये, इन टू का सम ये, इस टू का मीन प्रीवियस टू टर्म का